2018 Rolls-Royce Phantom first drive, large barge in charge. The ride offered by the new 2018 Rolls-Royce Phantom feels like you're being whisked about in a sedan chair carried by beauty queens stepping on marshmallows while wearing extra-large and comfy bunny slippers. No, that's too harsh, too Kia K900. The Phantom ride is more like angels who are graciously but softly flapping their wings after constructing a road made entirely of goose-down sleeping bags, hovering over it on their gossamer wings, suspending your Phantom by silken threads pulled directly from the boxer shorts of Liberace. It's hard to describe. I struggled for words as I drove my Phantom there in the desertist of Palm Springs, a town that knows a good roller when it sees one and where Liberace certainly would have felt at home. Or the Sultan of Brunei, or Dame DeLuise, or whomever this magnificent craft was made for. Even Rolls-Royce struggles to describe its own magnificence. There are 130 kilograms, 287 pounds. Dash of sound deadening material throughout, 6 mm, 0.24 inches, of two-layer glazing on the glass, and silent seal tires with sound-swallowing foam liners, all working to make the new Phantom 10% quieter than the last one, which was already about as quiet as Charles Rolls' tomb. The all-new, all-aluminum space frame helps, too. The Phantom is the first to get this new cage, but it is scalable so that it can be used to corset every future Rolls-Royce, including the next Ghost, Wraith, Dawn and the Cullinan SUV. It makes the whole rig 30% stiffer than the previous Phantom. The engine, which is either completely new or updated, depending on what you're reading, is a 6.75-liter twin-turbo direct-injected V12 making 563 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute and 664 pounds-to-foot of torque starting at 1,700 revs. It is mated to a ZF 8-speed transmission that uses both the camera and GPS to know what the road ahead is going to do and, if it's going up, uses that data to downshift.